There are many ways money can be made right in the crypto space, but there is this particular one I love so much, which is called crypto staking. Right on this update, I'm going to be giving you two of my best crypto staking that I'm running presently, and I'll be able to use this platform within a week or two right now to generate some daily income for myself. But remember, this is never a financial advice. Crypto staking as well can be highly risky, most especially if you are not running the right one. But right on this update, I'm going to be giving you and reviewing my best two crypto staking that I'm running for the past 2 weeks. This particular update is for those of you who want to earn seamlessly without even trading. With crypto staking, you don't have to actually trade by yourself. All you just have to do is for you to visit the staking platform and receive your reward on daily basis. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. The first one on the list is KWTCN wallet. KTWCTN wallet. This is a crypto airdrop, but they got crypto staking in it, and I'll be using this particular one for almost a month right now, and this particular one has actually been generating me some daily income, right? So to get started, make use of the link right on this video description. Like I said, this is a crypto airdrop, right? So if you think you want to involve yourself in their airdrop as well, you can as well do so by coming to this area that says task. You see we have tasks right here, and right here you are going to be seeing there are a lot of different tasks that you can do to earn some income, some points while engaging yourself on their crypto airdrop. If you can see right here, I've been able to earn as high as $6,798 right here just by getting myself involved in their crypto airdrop. But I'm not here for crypto airdrop on this particular update. I'm here for crypto staking. So let me show you how to get started on their crypto staking. To get started on their crypto staking, come to this area that says VVX. Okay, once you click on this area that says VVX, you are going to see you can be staking by using what is called Ethereum. You can stake on Ethereum, right? This is Ethereum right here. If you want to stake on Ethereum, you can stake on Ethereum right here. And if you want to go for Tron, that is if you want to stake using your USDT, you can as well come right here and click on Tron. Okay, so in most cases I do go for USDT. So if you want to go for USDT, just click on Tron right here. Once you click on Tron right here, you are going to see one amazing thing about this guy is that their staking only elapses within 5 days. So meaning if you stake right now, within 5 days your staking is going to elapse and you can go for another round of staking. So it doesn't take time at all, meaning you can actually withdraw your daily staking reward, and by the 5th days you can actually also withdraw your principal, that is your staking capital. You can withdraw everything in 5 days. Okay, so right here you can be earning as high as 12 to 24% of your investment right here within 5 days. Look at it right here. That is 12 to 24% within 5 days. That is what you can see right here. So you can be starting with as low as $10. You can be starting with as low as $10. That is what you can see right here. And within 5 days, the cycle is over. Very, very easy. You can start with $10. You can be staking as high as 1,000, 5,000, depends on you. And you can be getting your daily return into your staking account. Okay, so that is the number one. And right now I'm going to be taking you to the second on the list, and the second on the list is another amazing one. I just started this guy within just 5 days, and I'm already earning as high as over $9 just for testing this platform with only $100. You can as well do this with as low as $10, but I tested this platform with just $100. So let's get started on the second one. But if you're watching this video up to this level, you are yet to like this video, you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I have another video. So the second one on the list, this is Stakerx. Stakerx is a staking platform, and also they got an AI trading for us. Now this particular one is a staking platform, but AI does the trading for us, meaning when you stake on this platform, you don't have to trade by yourself. AI does the trading for you. Now let me show you something so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So if you can see right here, within August 10 to August 15, yes, within August 10 to August 15, if you can see right here on my screen, these are some of my trading history. Actually, I'm not the one doing the trading. AI is doing the trading for me. Within August 10 to August 15, This AI has carried out a lot of trade for me, and part of the trade that this AI has done for me is what you can see right here. On August 15 alone, this guy has done Ethereum trading for me. It went for short, right, and I'm in profit. That's what you can see right here. This is another trade on BNB, another trade on Doge, on SUI, on Nick Chain, on SRP. So this is how this AI is going to be running the trading on your behalf without you having to do any trading, and this is going to be dropping your profit for you. As you can see from my $100 that I stake at the beginning of this particular staking campaign actually activated, I'm able to earn 9.65 US dollar for myself just within 5 days. That's what you can see right here, just within 5 days. Now, how does this Stakerx platform work? It's actually very easy. What you have to do is for you to start with any amount starting from 10 US dollar, and this particular Stakerx is built on Solana chain, right? It's built on Solana chain. So when you want to deposit, try to prioritize Solana deposits instead of doing USDT or any other crypto. But if you want to go for any other crypto, you can as well deposit any other crypto. It's going to be converted for you automatically into Solana. Okay, so if you want to deposit, you come right here to where it says deposit. Once you click on deposit right here, you are going to see the primary deposit option recommended is Solana, that is USDT. But if you want to go for other deposit method, you can come right here to where it says deposit another token. So if you click on this right here, you are going to be seeing different type of crypto you can actually deposit right here. You can deposit your BNB, you can deposit your USDT, your Ethereum, and so on and so forth. Just decide on which one you want to go for. Okay, so that is for Stakerx. So for you to register on Stakerx, it's actually very easy. Use the link right on this video description and create an account for yourself. Within 1 to 3 minutes, you must have created an account for yourself. You can deposit and start using this platform. You can deposit as low as 10 US dollar to test out how this platform works. This particular staking elapses within 30 days. Within 30 days, you can take out your principal and you can restart a fresh staking. But if you don't want to actually wait for 30 days, you can be taking your profit along line. Like now, in the next 3 to 5 hours, my staking is going to be eating a profit of 10 US dollar, and the minimum withdrawal on this platform is 10 US dollar. So it means I can actually be withdrawing my earnings on weekly basis while I wait for 30 days for my initial staking capital to elapse, and I can withdraw the principal as well into my desired wallet address. Okay, so these are the two best crypto staking I came across just within 3 weeks, and these guys are paying massively. But remember to invest wisely. Do not invest what you can't afford to lose. Okay, so you can see my other video right here, or see any of this video right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.